This Apple Watch feature fetches boarding pass info just with a swipe. Crown Spin. If you're a travel geek with an inclination towards smartwatches, particularly the Apple Watch, and you often visit airports, then be grateful, as the Apple Watch you might have never heard could be the ultimate travel assistant. Opting for a smartwatch isn't only validated by one's own interest in it, but by the pack of features that make it an integral part of our lives, eradicating hurdles from our full of hassle lives that lack automation and rely majorly on manual efforts. The features which makes the Apple Watch the best travel companion was released last year with watchOS 10. The feature is Smart Stack, which simply displays a detailed view of your boarding pass, but it requires it to be saved in Apple Wallet, and then automatically gets fetched in Apple Watch's Smart Stack feature. All the wearer needs to do is swipe up on the screen or spin the digital crown upwards, and there's a boarding pass. It's a way too trivial feature, but it provides a sense of fulfillment by ensuring that you don't miss out on an essential work trip. Although one can have the Delta app on their phone to see their boarding pass, that wouldn't be easier than to nudge the crown on Apple Watch, tap on the boarding pass, and have all the insights into travel. It should be noted that boarding passes have been around on Apple Watch for years, but its discovery by one of Digital Trends correspondents has made it pretty nascent and brought it to light.